Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Been a minute, but I've been on a workcation. That's why there's been a delay in the videos. But we'll be right back with an exciting recipe for you. We're going to be doing quesadillas.
Quesadilla.
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 All right, love you guys. Be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Been a minute. Got our olive oil heating up for this chicken. A little bit of garlic. Alright, so we're going to take our chicken, which I've already have the breast. Reason you do that, it cooks more even. A little salt to go with the pepper. And we're just going to go ahead, we're going to put taco seasoning right on there. Season up that chicken. I'm actually doing a few breaths here. We'll just get these first 4 in the skillet, get her going. Kids are coming over, gonna chow down. Had Nightshade. She was chopping up some of our peppers and onions. We're gonna make some pico de gallo.
Cinco de Mayo.
No, not Cinco de Mayo, dude.
No, Cinco de Mayo.
Whatever. There you got old Guncher in the background there. I don't know. What are you calling yourself now?
Gunchy Souls.
Gunchy Souls.
Because my favorite game is Dark Souls.
Yeah. I know it's been a couple weeks since I've seen you folks, but I know he's changed his name. I don't know. At least 5 times.
No, 2 times.
2.
I went from the Gunchy TG to the Gunchy Souls. Because of Dark Souls. And also...
Alright. Go ahead. We're gonna cook this chicken about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We could probably put another breast in there. We'll do a little chunk. I trim the fat.
Excuse me.
Kids, I tell you. I have to wash all my stuff here when we're done. That way we don't get any cross-contamination going on there. There's some germs populating on my stuff. Alright. Wash my hands. Y'all haven't noticed, got a different apron on tonight. Came from a friend of mine in the fan. Pretty awesome guy. I want to get a nice brown color on that chicken. Fry it up. We'll go ahead and just season up these other breasts. As you can see, got our peppers all diced up over there. Got our fresh grated cheese. You know, the boy wanted some, as he calls it, quesadillas. We know they're quesadillas, but
No, Dilla.
yeah.
Quesadilla.
Right. You can buy the packaged taco seasoning as well. I'm just using the old Sam's Club special. Also do your own spices. Whatever floats your boat, trips your trigger, you know. Then after the chicken's done frying, we'll go ahead and take that out of the pan. We'll go ahead and get our peppers and onions sauteing in there. We won't put any of that in the Gunchers. He'll just want chicken and cheese. And you know I love jalapenos. And folks, anyone who knows me knows I love jalapenos, habaneros, anything hot and spicy. Woo-hoo. We're good. We are golden. Stick our chicken here. Oh yeah, good and nice brown color here. We're gonna cook our quesadillas right in this pan.
Dilla.
I was gonna use the quesadilla maker, quesadilla maker, but the kids were like, Dad, maybe not everyone has a quesadilla maker. So we'll do everything simple, right in the pan. Let me get a plate out for our chicken. That way, as it's done frying up, we'll just take it out, set it off to the side. We'll go ahead and dice it up, get it ready to go into our quesadillas later.
Wait, quesadilla.
Quesadillas.
Almost slid that past me.
He'll learn how to pronounce it one of these days.
Nope, Ninja hunted me.
All right, but I'm going to go ahead and let these chicken breasts fry up, folks. I'll be back with you in a little bit.
Quesadilla.
Here you got.
Dilla.
All right, guys, got our chicken out, diced up, ready to go. Got some butter, olive oil in there. We're going to go ahead and put our peppers and onions in there. Of course, the Guncher, he won't, Gunchy Souls over there, he won't have none of these goodies in his. So go ahead and get these all sauteed up, caramelized real nice. And if you notice, we're doing this all in one pan. Peppers and onions. Gonna go ahead and some pepper, some salt. We're gonna throw just a dab taco seasoning in it. We're going to go ahead and let these saute up. When they're done, I'll transfer them back to the bowl. We'll go ahead and prep the skillet for our tortillas so we can make the quesadillas, as Gunsy Souls called it. Even though you and I know they're quesadillas.
Dillas. They're quesadillas, not dia.
All right, so we're going to let this saute up, folks. We'll be back when it's done. Hey guys, welcome back. Got our pepper sauteed chicken ready. Got our tortillas, our fresh grated cheese, sour cream. Oh, and not to mention, you know, like my strange brews. Jalapeno beer. And it is amazing, and it's from a local brewery, Cleveland Brewery. It is actually pretty awesome. All right, so got our skillet there. We're just gonna go ahead for the tortillas. We're just going to put some butter on the pan. Bazinga, baby. It is nice to be back with you folks. And I do apologize for not having a video for the last few weeks. But That workcation was kicking my ass. All right. So, we're almost up to temperature there. Oh, and look at there. There's some pico de gallo, fresh made from Nightshade, my daughter.
But Gunchi Souls is better and the most favorite.
The tortillas, they're almost too big for the pan. Aha.
It'll be fun.
So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead, we're going to put the cheese on first. Why? Well, I want the heat to melt the cheese. Now, we're going to do the one with the whole fixings here first, for video purposes. But then, the Guncher here, he's just going to have a plain old chicken and cheese quesadilla. Sorry.
That's right.
And that is fresh grated white cheddar. It's actually all organic. Imagine that, Reaper going health conscious. Are you kidding me?
He becomes hippie.
Ah.
Organic chips.
Here's our chicken. Gonna go ahead and throw some chicken in there. Sort of spread it around. It's gonna be fun flipping it, you know. And our tortilla's starting to bubble. And look at these amazing peppers, folks. Now, they are halfway done, I would say. Because I know they're going to cook longer in the skillet. Alright. Got our peppers and mixture in there, and we're going to go ahead and throw some more cheese on there, folks. And you know, I like to use fresh grated cheese, just basically because there's no caking agent in that stuff. Alright. We're just going to set that other tortilla on there. We're going to let that baby cook.
The tortilla.
I knew I should have bought the big spatula so I could flip that tortilla.
Tortilla. New name for tortilla.
See, with the quesadilla maker, it at least seals the edge.
Quesadilla.
We're just going to let this fry up for a minute. So I see that cheese starting to melt. And then, after this, folks, then I got a bunch of these to make because the family's out here. I did actually buy a new pizza cutter today. So, we're going to do a box opening of the KitchenAid mixer the kids got me for Christmas. And we'll do some dough. You know, then I'll do some old world style pizzas. Feel that? It's the magic, folks. It's the magic. Alright, we're going to let this cook for a few seconds. I'll be right back with you. Alright, guys. Got our quesadilla out of the skillet. Some fresh pico de gallo on there. Some cheese, sour cream. This baby is ready to roll. And these are amazing, folks. You're going to love them. Better than Taco Bell. Oh, yeah. There you have it. Thanks for being with the Reaper again. See you guys next time. If you're a heavy metal chef, love you all. Thank you.